Morning everyone, how are you? I'm so excited and I've been waiting for this day for so long. Today I have my first ever and the second box that they've made, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes Wizard's Vault box. Join me the other side of the intro and let's open this little beauty together. It's exciting. You ready? Hit it, maestro! I'm so excited to be opening this. I'm actually not at home still. I'm actually recording this at night. It's my last night, my 26th night on a trot here in Walt Disney World. I've had the time of my life. I've had a few tears today. I've got a bit sad and a bit upset because all my wonderful friends are here and we've had the most wonderful time at the Fairy Tales Pin-a-Bit. We really, really have. And on top of that, I had the wonderful time with Phil and the kids, and it's just been magical, truly magical. And so I thought, before I started packing, because there was no way I'd get all my subscription boxes in my luggage, I'd open them here in the hotel room and see what I've got. I can't believe I'm doing it on the last night. I have not had time to breathe. We have had so much fun. It's unbelievable. We really, really have. And a lot of it I've recorded, and some of it, sorry, my eye's itching because I'm tired, and some of it I haven't, because I think when you meet your friends, it's important to have just one-on-one time as well, and we've managed that, and yeah, it's been really, really amazing, really amazing. I've got some amazing friends, and yeah, very, very blessed. But it's a Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes day, and it's their new Wizard's Vault box. That's a lot to say when you need a Coke. It really is. I love this. I love Harry Potter. Did you know that? Did you know I've not seen all the movies? How can you love something and not see all the movies? Quite easily, actually. I've seen parts and I've seen the first couple, but it was a long time ago. So my plan when I get home, because I'm coming back for Star Wars, I am, is I've got 10 days at home, 10 days. Will my washing be dry in 10 days? My plan is, while I'm editing all my videos, I always like a bit of background noise, and I actually put the television on when I'm editing. So I'm going to be watching all of the Star Wars movies. Well, I say all, maybe the first 3 and the last one. But I'll be watching the Star Wars movies, so I've got a bit of background knowledge and a bit of understanding, so that when I walk into Star Wars, it's not just a set, I understand it. And I'm also going to be watching all of the Harry Potter movies, because I've got this wonderful box, and I don't really know all the characters by name, and I really want to do that, so I'm going to do that. So if you're a Harry Potter fan and I get something wrong, bear with me. I get everything wrong, but I will get smarter. Now, I am a Ravenclaw, I know that, and I did the online Harry Potter test. Blake set it all up for me, and I've actually had the sorting hat on my head, and I think, was that in Warner Brothers Studios? It was Paramount or Warner Brothers Studios. We went on a tour when we were in Disneyland last year? Yeah, last year we did that, I think. No, we did it before. We did it at the summer before. Crikey, so it's been 2 years since I had that sorting hat on my head. And I'm Ravenclaw, and I was really quite shocked. I thought I was Slytherin, but I'm Ravenclaw. Yeah, I was quite shocked. And what's interesting is that in our house, Phil's a Hufflepuff, Blake's a Gryffindor, and Savannah's a Slytherin, and I'm a Ravenclaw. So it's really interesting. So when I buy things, if I buy a set of say 4 magnets, I can keep all 4 because it applies to all of us. So yeah, so when I saw this, and I saw Katie from Over the Moonies, she advertised it, and I was like, got to get it. So I got it, and it came, the box came in the bag, so it's perfect. So shall we have a look at the box? I know you've seen everybody else's, but you've not seen mine. So look at the bottom there, you've got the Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes sign, and you've got the magic wand, and you've got the castle with the balloons, which really is their logo. But then you've got the sorting hats, the Quidditch ball. Look at this, how beautiful. Solemnly swear, I solemnly swear to be good. That's what mine should say. Look at, it's amazing. And you've got the one. Sorry about that, my memory card has full. I've been recording so much today in Animal Kingdom. Excuse my hair being put up because I've been out all day. I haven't chopped it off, it's still there. But anyway, so we've got the sorting out. We've got Harry's glasses. We've got the 9 3/4 train station sign. What else did I see? You've got the owl. We've got the Hogwarts logo. There's so much on it. I'm so excited. I am so excited. And I've been to Universal on this trip. I have. And I've got to ride the Harry Potter. Let me get this right. It is Hagrid's. Oh God. Hagrid's, is it Unusual Creatures motorcycle ride? Horrendous Creatures. The kids aren't here. Blake's not yelling at me. Anyway, it was jolly good. Yeah, I've actually rode it 3 times. Not once, not twice. 3 times I've rode that. And I personally think it is the most exhilarating ride in the whole of Orlando. I really do. It is amazing. I've queued 4 hours for it. I've stood and queued 4 hours, and it was amazing. Would I do it more than once in a day? No. I've been there for rope drop, and rope drop, unless you're at the front, is really long. So I think personally getting there for about 10 o'clock is really good because it's about a 2-hour wait. It is breaking down a lot at the moment. I suppose they're still having teething problems, but it is amazing. You go at fast speeds, you really do. And it sounds like a motorbike. You go backwards, you drop, all sorts of lovely things. And you know I'm a scaredy cat, and I love it. I truly love it. So this just helps it, doesn't it? So shall we open it? Oh, gosh, let's open it. And because it's come in a bag, the box is perfect. Oh, let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. This is going to be exciting. Oh, look at this. Look. So it's a purple paper. And it says Gringotts Vault because that was the original name, but it got changed to Wizard's Vault. So we've got that on there. So shall we break the seal? Will I know what's inside my box? Probably not. So, so we've got I love these because it's like a proper postcard. It's like a picture. We've got both light and dark inside us. What matters is the part we choose to act on. That's who we really are. And that's really true. It's like if you do a good deed for someone, it's your good heart, and that's who you really, really are. So yeah, so you've got that. That's so apt. And I love Bibbidi Bobbidi Box's quotes because they always put fabulous quotes on. They really do. Right, so we have got our packing notes, and it's all sealed up. Look. Woo-hoo, so that's fab, right, okay. What have I got? What have I got with these? I've got some, yay! I'm collecting socks at the minute. I have got some, are these all Quidditch socks? I have got a set of 3. So we've got Quidditch socks. We have got, which ones are these? Seeker socks. And I've also got the Hogwarts socks, the ankle socks. Oh, those are great, aren't they? And do you know what? They're really thick. These are a really great trainer. You call them sneakers, we call them trainers. Trainer sock to put on because it's ankle. So hopefully it won't slide down, because sometimes they slide down in your shoes and they're uncomfortable, aren't they? But they're a nice thick one, so that's really good quality. So I love that. Right, what's next? Something in tissue paper. It's like Christmas Day, isn't it, when you don't know what you're getting? I didn't buy one of these. I love my Turvis mugs. I love them. And I've got Ravenclaw, yay! My voice is going, oh my. Isn't that fabulous? So my Ravenclaw with my slidey bit on the top so I can keep my drinking. Oh, I love these. I love these. So, yay, that's the winner. Right. I have got a box of every flavour beans. Now the beauty about these beans is they're every flavour and they're not all good flavours. It doesn't tell me the flavours, but these are jelly beans, and yeah, that might be a taste testing video. I could do a taste testing video on all the different Harry Potter beans. And I might have to spit some of them. Yes, I like nice flavours, me. I've just seen what's at the bottom of my box. And I actually picked it up to buy it myself, and I didn't in the end because it was too much money, and it sat here in my box. It's just, it's like the girls know me. It's like, it's amazing. Right, what have we got here? Oh, okay. I have got, is it a keychain? I have got a keychain, and we've got the Hogwarts house on the bottom, but then we have got Ravenclaw, which is blue, Hufflepuff, which is yellow, Slytherin, which is green, and somewhere under here we have got, did I see it? Where's Gryffindor gone? He's hiding up the top. See, I do know my Harry Potter. I know the houses. And you've got Gryffindor, which is just there. So they're all on the keychain. How fab. And then you got it on the bottom. That's really nice because it's dangly. It's a bit like clicky. I like clicky things. But it's lightweight, so that's great. I love that, love that. But this, absolutely thrilled, because I picked it up myself. I am at the moment on the biggest pouch kick ever. I've got the Ravenclaw pouch. Look at that, look at all the glitter. It's a Daniel Nicole pouch. And you've got your wrist strap, your strap. But I love these because I like putting all my cables in, because at home, I don't know about anybody else, but I don't know if your husband or the kids nick your charging cables and your iPhone and your iPad, and mine are now in here so that they can't. And look, it's even got, can you see, it's got Ravenclaw there on the strap. This is beautiful. Just beautiful. I went to buy it myself. Yeah, I went to buy it myself. And inside, is there anything inside? No, it's just got the lettering inside. But it's just lovely, isn't it? Look at the sheen and the detail. Yeah, I adore it. So that's what's in my box. So shall we have a look at the packing notes? So, yeah, what did I do with it? Here it is. Right, so we've got to break the seal on the packing notes. But I don't want to cut the paper, I know. I've got to just rip it. My scissors are on the bed over there. Yay, there we go, I've done it. It's like my royal proclamation, isn't it? Right, so in this box, I've got my Harry Potter Ravenclaw pouch by Daniel Nicole, and that was $38. My 3-pack of Quidditch ankle socks was $15. My Bertie Bott's every flavour jelly beans for $13. My Harry Potter Hogwarts Ravenclaw house tumbler was $18.99, and my Wizarding World of Harry Potter Hogwarts house charm keychain was $24.95, which means the total retail value of this box was $109.93. I'll put down here which box it was I got and the price. I can't remember. I know it was the dearer of the two boxes, and I think it was $89, but I might be wrong, so whatever it says down below is correct, and I do apologise. It's my first one, and I've been away. I haven't been home for 4 weeks, so I can't remember what my name is, but I love this. I can't wait. My next one's coming. It'll be coming in the next couple of weeks. I'll be back for it. And I can bring my Harry Potter ears and my Harry Potter t-shirt so I can open it properly, can't I? Hope you've enjoyed it. I love this. I love this. I love Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, and I love both subscription boxes. I really love this. Thanks so much for watching. If this is your first time and you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button at the end of the video. There's a link coming. And also click that notification bell. What that means is YouTube will let you know when I post a video. And then you've got the choice, haven't you? You know it's there and you know what it's about. If you want to watch it, great. And if you don't, that's absolutely fine, but it keeps you in the loop, and I love being in the loop. But thanks so much for watching. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you really soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.